Hey yo, what's up people of YouTube? Hope you're having an amazing day. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So this is TechSav here, signing in for a new unboxing video today. Let's go!
Swag, bitch.
Alright guys, so today we're gonna unbox the Moto G5. So first we're just gonna peel this plastic off the box and it comes off just like that. So the Moto G5 comes in this vibrant green color box with a matte finish and a texture on the top. The back contains some highlights of the phone along with some additional information about the device. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna cut the box open. So first let's cut this seal and we'll just get right into the contents of the box. So here is the Moto G5 on the top with the fine gold color. Okay guys, so this is our device, the Moto G5, and the phone feels really light out of the box as there is no battery installed on this guy. So the back panel is removable, which contains the camera and the metallic Moto logo. So on the right hand side you can find the volume rockers and the power button, and here are those big bezels. On the left side it's flush, and on the bottom of the phone you can find the micro USB port for charging your device and connecting it to a PC. So that's it for the design of the device. Now we'll get into the next section, which is the contents of the box. So the box contains the power adapter, a pair of not so good headphones, the USB type A to micro USB cable, and the safety manuals, and the battery itself, which is 2800 mAh. Okay guys, so now we are just gonna open the back panel and install the battery. Easy AF. Alright, let's put up this finger here. Okay, it's gonna open now. Alright, come on man. Okay, alright, it's gonna open. Wait for it. Okay,
One eternity later.
come on man, come on, open the okay, I'm not using anything. Alright, finally. Okay guys, so finally we're able to open the back panel. So now we're just gonna install this battery and we're good to go. Alright guys, so let's get this off the screen. Now we're just gonna power the device on. So this device has a 5-inch screen with a resolution of 1080 by 1920 with 441 pixels per inch. The device is powered by the 1.4 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 chipset and packs 3 GB of RAM. It has only 16 gigs of internal storage, but it is expandable up to 128 gigs via micro SD card. Now it is booting up with the Motorola animation and followed by the Lenovo branding. Okay, the screen is not at all bad at this price point, and it is quite nice, and it is quite bright also in broad daylight. It has a full HD display, so the videos and pictures look quite sharp and crispy. The device packs a 12 megapixel camera sensor on the back and the 5 megapixel selfie shooter on the front. And it is running on the Android Nougat version 7.0. So that's a wrap for today, guys. I'm gonna see you all next week again. Till then, adios amigos. Peace out.